Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Sonam Wangchuk lapen bena bu unsange no ia ka Jingshah Thngan ka baklem put sengi chong hadian ba ki arngut ki Myntri Sorkar Pedeng kata UJP Nadda bad Ujitendra Singh kilawan ya kendu yu haringkat ki jingkular ki ba ka Sorkar kande nang ni syakaman hadian bala baik ka jingakran kini ki arngut ki Myntri Sorkar kila Pyndih sub ya Sonam Wangchuk kum kadak ka Pynkut no chong ia ka Jingshah Thngan ka balayan arpun sengi Sonam Wangchuk ula buat lightly kimat jingdawa hakmat ka Sorkar balada ka Sorkar ka Pedang ula penbena bu unsange no ia ka Jingshah Thngan ki jingdawa ki ba ula bu hakmat ka Sorkar ki kenthum ba ka Sorkar ka di bandra ya kamat jong ka jinglai tu ki jingkli jong ka need exam ha parliament khnang ba ki MP kin yo menyata ya ka ni kaman kawai pat ka jingdawa kadai ba ka Sorkar kamdei ban pengat hakinu kinu ki kendon an yeki samla ki bayaki ha jantar mantar bat sakawai pat ka jingdawa kalong ba ka Sorkar ka di ban siu bai tuksan sheki ba ye ka sam jong ki tu ki samla ki bala khat no ya la ka jong ka jingim tangna ka da ko jinglai tu jong ki jingkli need exam kini ki arngut ki Myntri Sorkar kla Pedang ya borok kini ki jingdawa hakamat ka jingdan lang ki sakhi bat harengkat ka jingring dur video ha ka jaka ba Sonam uthia hamen data hospital
Government side, government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the Parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the Parliament. Besides, the government is also positively considering suitable compensations for the suicide victims of recent NEET paper leaks.
Sensitivity towards the children who have been victims, towards the youth who were peacefully protesting on those dates, and that both the ruling party and MPs from the opposition have assured me that their discussions will happen on the floor of the Parliament regarding reforms in the examination system like NEET and others, and that we will also be discussing about the accountability of such lapses, and that we'll all make sure that such things never happen. No child, no parent will have to go through what these 20 children and their parents had to go through. I'm happy that you have assured me that, and I'm sure, as the children have been demanding, at the suitable time, I'm no one to dictate, you will take accountability in the ministry with the minister also as a responsibility, and I'm sure you are already considering. And with these assurances, I'm touched and grateful to the government, and I want to appeal to the protesting students to maintain utmost peace. To express their feelings is a legitimate thing, but I do not approve violence of any kind, and allowing any antisocial elements to take advantage of this is not acceptable to me. It should be a genuine demand by genuinely concerned people, in this case youngsters. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful, and I'll be happy to break my fast. Thank you. Thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh, and the KBA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and I'm grateful to them. Thank you. So, Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Just sit up a little.
And Nitanji, you have always been by my side and support, and I don't want to thank you, but express my feelings as well.
Just sit up.
I think you.
Yeah.
आज 26वें दिन मैं आप लोगों को कुछ ख़ास खबर बताना चाहूँगा। अभी रात के लगभग 12:30 बज रहे हैं। अभी थोड़ी देर पहले केंद्रीय मंत्री जेपी नड्डा साहब और जितेंद्र सिंह साहब यहाँ आए थे और लद्दाख के एपेक्स बॉडी के शीर्ष नेतागण भी यहाँ आए थे। और उससे पहले आप लोगों को मालूम है विभिन्न राजनीतिक दलों के लगभग 65 सांसदों ने आकर और हस्ताक्षर देकर हमसे अनशन तोड़ने के लिए कहा और वो संसद में इस मुद्दे पर नीट पेपर्स और परीक्षाओं की प्रणाली पर चर्चा करेंगे, ये आश्वासन दिया। और जो सरकार से इस तरफ से मंत्रीगण आए थे उन्होंने भी ये आश्वासन दिया, जिसका कि 2 दिन से हम बहुत ही कड़ा क्या कहेंगे एक तरह का बार्गेन चल रहा था कि मुझे आश्वासन चाहिए और लिखित में चाहिए, और इसमें 2 दिन लगे और मुझे इसलिए अनशन पर 2 दिन और बैठना पड़ा और ज़्यादा भी बैठ जाता। तो आखिर में आज उन्होंने लिखकर आश्वासन दिया है।
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamar yang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, Pyndih pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya ka ne ka umpnyang shaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko ka kot ka kya pat kamaryang ru kan ktasho.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.